Adapt to changes in its operating environment is among the reasons for its continued strong performance. The company wrote new business worth 12.2 billion rand in the year under review, and that's up 15%. Its focus on changing people's behavior through incentivizing them to lead a healthier lifestyle has also been key to its success.
The South African market for us has always been very, very good. The truth is, I think it's a complex year. We're living in complex times. But I do think this is an environment and times where people look to quality. So to an extent, more difficult times, I think the better we tend to do in terms of getting our message out there. But these are complex times, and we know people can't afford healthcare, so there's a lot of real challenges, and that's our role. We've got to make things affordable.
The company says upward cost pressures make healthcare unaffordable for many people. Government is currently investigating healthcare costs as it moves towards price regulation in the industry. But Discovery CEO Adrian Gom says while the process will lead to greater transparency, it's unlikely to keep a lead on the rising costs of medical care.
I think that bringing medical costs down is going to be a difficult thing to do. It's more complex than I think often people think. One of the difficulties is inside medical schemes you have what's called adverse selection. People are older and sicker, and often healthier people don't buy the cover. So the mix of people that you cover is often a very important factor in how much things cost. The other important thing is technology. So there are drugs coming in that are critical, that are brilliant, that are good for people, that fix very sick people, but they cost huge amounts of money. So these are a lot of the cost drivers. I think the Competition Commission is a critical thing. So I think it's going to bring everything all out, and I think as a society we'll have a good sense of these drivers. But I think that the assumption that healthcare costs will come down suddenly is not going to happen.
Discovery has declared a dividend of 78 cents a share. SABC News, Johannesburg.
Let's move over.